I understand my weakness, but not able to overcome it. How to overcome? Very simple. Be determined. Look, my dog and me, I will train the dog. It is because it's my dog. Mind is my servant. Weakness belongs to mind, remember. Weakness belongs to mind, and it is my mind, and I am the soul having tremendous potentiality. Yes, mind has impression, memory. I can master my mind. I am not the slave of my mind. How to take care of my weaknesses? Very simple. Suppose I have the weakness of smoking. I will not touch it. I have seen in my life two persons. One is my own father. The other one was my professor. My father is no more. My professor is still alive. So, one day speaking that not to smoke. That's all. Decades and decades of the habit of smoking gone in one day. What is the difference between prana and breath? How are they related? Is the prana in the nadi same as in the breath? Everything what we see has three forms: gross, astral and causal. This physical body, the body which we see, it is gross. But this gross body is not enough. There is astral body and there is also causal body. Similarly, air, breath and prana, they are one like body, but they are three. Air is the gross, breath is the subtle, and prana is the causal. Sthula, Sukma, Karana. Air outside, this is air. But the same air, when it is going into the nose, becomes breath. But the finest form of breath is remaining in the body, moving in a very subtle way. It is prana. Again, breath is of three types. Breath is also gross, astral and causal. Gross breath goes from nose to the lung. The astral or subtle breath goes from lung to every cell of the body. And the causal breath, you can feel some subtle movement in your deep meditation. Inside the brain, some movement. However, what are different types of breath? That's what Gurudev was mentioning. Gurudev told there are 50 types of breath. 49 are extrovert. One breath which is going to give you spiritual progress. At the time of anger, one type of breath. At the time of passion, another type of breath. At the time of fear, another type of breath. During sleep, another type of breath. But for spiritual breath, is slow, feeble, conscious breath, which Gurudev sometimes told us short breath. This is Gurudev's word, but if you understand it, slow, feeble, conscious breath. I am meditating for quite some time, but mental fluctuations or ability to concentrate still goes up and down. I heard that as long as mind is not sattvic, mental fluctuations will remain. How to become sattvic in body and mind? Please explain. Should I become Govrati? What does it mean mentally and physically? To be Govrati, humble pranam. Triple qualities of nature. One is sattvic, peaceful, serene, pure, calm and quiet, focused. One is rajasic, restless, aggressive, agitated, easily irritable, and with too much of expectation and ambition. Tamasic, lazy, lethargic, full of inertia, sleepiness, lack of interest. So you can imagine or you can analyze your life that which nature is predominant. In each person, one nature is predominant, the other natures are subordinate to the principal one. Suppose one person is very active, dynamic, aggressive, so that is the predominant nature. Sattvic and tamasic nature are there, but they are remaining little below. So depending upon your own nature, you should find it out, am I predominantly rajasic, tamasic or sattvic? And to transform yourself from all qualities to become more and more sattvic is the sign of spiritual growth. So how to be more and more sattvic? To be more and more sattvic, peaceful, serene, calm and quiet. So what are needed? The first is sattvic food. Here, for example, the lunch time. Lunch time, you will find some vegetable is spicy, some vegetable is little less spicy. So prefer less spicy. Oh, I love to have spicy food. Yes, that is rajasic. So to take care of your own food, this is sattvic. This is not sattvic. Similarly, your mind, to make mind sattvic, everyday prayer, no compromise. Everyday meditation, no compromise. Everyday study, no compromise. Every day I will do it. So you have to work slowly, it will come to you.